What's up, YouTube? It's Trader A. I just wanted to do a very quick recap of today. I have to be quick because we are having Hurricane Francine and conditions are starting to deteriorate. But I just wanted to just give a brief recap, brief shout out. So today had some good things and bad things. One good thing is I was able to utilize this initial balance high and low again. And again, the initial balance high and low, my understanding is something that you just utilize. But I do think going forward, it's going to be something that will help me to just see a bigger picture of the market. Okay. The electricity just went off, but it did pop back on, thank goodness. So, all right. So yeah, it looks like I'm still recording. All right. So this thing is so neat. Again, it's just your high and low between the first hour of the market. So for me, that's 8:30 to 9:30, and from what I understand is you can just expect more choppiness within the initial balance. But for instance, like today, let's look at it today. Okay, so basically today, all right, right outside, once we got outside of that first hour, we had kind of an initial drop. We had the retest, and boom, we were able to take it short. So I was participating in those trades. So if you see this, it broke right at 9:30. That's when the low is set. It broke that low, made a slight retest up, and then we dropped it short and made a new session low. So the problem I did unfortunately still have is that I kind of got a little bit too caught up with trying to short, trying to get all the accounts in on the short. Yes, did I have 3? No, did I have 4? Oh my God, I can't even remember now. No, I think I had 3. I had 3 accounts starting off this morning. One had just been activated from a pass from yesterday. So I had 3, but you know, right in here, I kept thinking to myself, oh, this is going to drop more. Let me get this account in. This will be a good trade for this account. And I just kind of forced it right here in this consolidation when actually the market was transitioning to go back up. So yes, I blew the account. I got stuck on stupid. I just couldn't accept the loss, and not just couldn't accept the loss, I couldn't just get out of a mode of trying to force trades because I wanted to finish that account right then and there, because the getting had been so good. I just felt like, oh, I got to get this. This is my main PA. That was my PA that had the most. So I wanted to get it over the hump, so to speak, or get more profits on it with what I thought was a sure thing. But it wasn't. So anyway, that's what happened with the PA. But back to just general talk about my understanding, or what I was able to see having this initial balance on the chart. So once you get back in here, so we came down, the market started transitioning back up. Then once you get back in here, you see we went back in, retested again. So now you're expecting the market to fill your initial balance, or at least that's what I was looking for. And the way it does it is so neat because it kind of ties right in with my Bob Anderson, the retest, you know, right in with those gold lines. Here the retest, right in with the 5-minute red line. Why isn't this working? The 5-minute red line there. So, you know, another entry. So here you have a double bottom entry on the overnight open. So honestly, this utilizing Bob's strategies along with the initial balance low, honestly, I was able to take great trades today on several accounts. I was able to, okay, let me just, because I think we're done with this, because that's pretty much all I want to show there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And here's the other thing. So once this thing actually breaks, so here we actually broke out of our initial balance, retested it, then the market is ready to just soar. It's ready to soar. So that's when you're kind of like in, you know, blue sky kind of territory. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show with this. For me, it just helps me to see more structure in the market. Using that along with Bob's strategies is really great. And so even though I got too impatient before I could really see that big picture and have confidence that just wait, another setup, another wave, more structure is to come. And that's what I just have to remind myself is, you know, you're building a skill. That skill is valid. This market structure, technical analysis, all of this is valid. So we need to have confidence that we don't have to force anything. We don't have to FOMO fall into the market. We don't have to rush anything. I mean, literally, probably I could have waited 5 minutes and then the market was getting out of this little tight consolidation range. I just have to, I don't know what I'm going to do. I may have to like play a recording to remind myself to don't trade chop, wait for a good setup, be patient. Just, you know, another wave is coming along just soon. Just maybe get up and walk away, something. But like I tried this trade a couple of times. I kept trying to go short. And y'all can see how tight this is right here. And I just kept trying to go short. So because I was just kept trying to go short in this area right here. It's just, you know, just forcing something that just didn't make any sense. So anyhow, and it was just at the very bottom. And even though I had good success here with a couple of accounts, this stuff, but if you just look at the top, if you look at the top, I have my 2 PAs right here. So I'm up 696 on one and 886 on the other. So I'm not really sure about the days of which, because again, you know, I keep, you know, this is the second day in a row that I have lost a PA account. So I'm not sure. I know I was up 5 days on one or 2 of them and 1 day on the other, but I'm not sure which one I've lost. So anyway, that's that. I also did pass another evaluation. I went ahead and grabbed another one in the power hour and just went ahead and passed it really quickly. So good for that. I have so much more I'd like to talk to y'all about, but I've got to get out of here because like I said, this weather is deteriorating and I don't know, but I did do the same thing. I did the same thing. I had FOMO, number 1, couldn't take a loss, number 2. But I think the more and more I can see more market structure, have a more disciplined plan, have a more disciplined risk management plan, and practice those things, I think that's going to help me to get out of the FOMOing into the trade and to not have the ability to take the loss. Because I don't mind taking another trade, but it's not taking a loss is where you're taking the trade right away. Even though that setup is not there, I'm not even taking the time to analyze to say, wait a minute, is there a change here? No, I'm just saying, oh, I know this is going to drop. And I'm not even looking. I'm just hitting the market entry, and boom, losing again. Boom, hitting the market entry again, losing again, hitting the market entry again, losing again, thinking that, okay, one of these, I'm going to get this drop. And probably 3 times, boom, I didn't. I was running into a brick wall and I didn't. That is the problem. I don't mind if I could wait analyze and say, okay, here's an entry, gather myself and say, here's an entry, here's another setup, here's some market structure, and then get back in. That I don't mind. But anyway, I'm still excited about the future. That's all I can say. I hope y'all are excited about the future too. I hope y'all had a great day. The market structure was amazing today. The price action was just so amazing. And that's another thing. It's just like, well, maybe trade more on days like that. Recognize those days where it's not giving you that, and don't cast your pearls to swine, a swine market. Okay, I'm out. Everybody stay safe and happy trading for the rest of the week. I don't know what the conditions will be after tonight, so I don't know if I'll be trading tomorrow or Friday. Hopefully I will. I'm hoping that this hurricane will not be that bad and that we keep our lights, we keep our electricity and our internet. Peace out.